Hey awesome ones, Heather here. Do you remember when you were a little girl and you put on your mom's lipstick and maybe even her high-heeled shoes and you just felt, oh, so pretty? Well, I have 6 things in this video that make me feel oh so pretty, and I really want to share them with you, and they all start in just a few seconds. So maybe you're watching this and thinking to yourself, I just don't feel pretty anymore. And I hear it from you in the comments. A lot of you are saying that. And no, it's not. It's an inside thing. It's an inside job. It's how you feel about yourself in the inside. And that's the number one thing that you really have to work on. And nowadays, I'm so happy for this. You know, being a former 80s model, I am just so happy to see models out there that are curvier, that are older, that have flaws, that are all different types of colors and shapes and beautiful, also beautiful. And that's you. You're out there as well. So, you know, I remember, oh my gosh, I just got goosebumps thinking about it actually. When I was a kid, when I was like 9 years old, little kid, I was really so ugly. I had freckles, tons of freckles. I had really curly, frizzy hair, and like, I don't know, though that whole public school thing, I just felt horrible. But when I dressed up in my mom's lipstick and high heel shoes, I felt absolutely beautiful. I felt like Marilyn Monroe. And you know what? It was the inside talking. And that's what I want for you. So let's get into this video and take a look at number 1. So let's change your state, you wondrous, wonderful woman. And one of the good ways to do that is to find yourself a few outfits that make you feel, oh, so pretty and so wonderful. And you've probably seen this dress here. I'll just put this over here. In some of my videos, it's a totally glammed up dress, and I'll show you a photo here of it. And I absolutely love this. I feel amazing when I'm wearing it. And I must say that I got it too on sale. It was one of those amazing find a rack at the back of the store, and it was 90% off, and I absolutely love it. And you know, when I wear it, I just feel like $1 million. Anyway, maybe glammed up is not your look, and here's another one that's so totally authentically me. And again, I'm going to show you a little video here of me in this kind of fringed outfit. It's a jacket that really, you know what? It brings me back to the 70s, and going back there, feeling so cool, and I don't know, it just really brings me to my authentic self. So, you know what? Find those outfits that are you, pamper yourself, and wear them, and own it. And number 2 is to have a wonderful nighttime routine. For me, I don't even care if it's like 10 minutes, but I gotta soak in a bath and just you probably know what I'm talking about. And a lot of times I'm using this lavender bubble bath from L'Occitane, and it just it really makes you feel quite, well, luxurious, but also it kind of makes you sleepy because it's lavender. And as you can see, I also love getting into a nice little comfy terry cloth robe, and don't forget the Luxe towels. So this is my face cloth, and again, it's white terry cloth, very absorbent, and so are the bath towels. And the magic with feeling like this and dressing like this and feeling pretty like this is that you feel like every night is just like a spa time. Oh, and by the way, next week I will finally be putting up my nighttime routine. A lot of you have been asking for that. So it will be up next Friday. And if you're watching like an older video right now, it might already be up. So I think you're going to be really, really surprised at this. How I take off my makeup and what I use to moisturize. Anyway, let's go to number 3. So kind of still sticking with the nighttime routines, I love for number 3 is to put on a hand cream every single evening. And again, this is the L'Occitane and lavender. It's dreamy. And what I do, just as I'm getting into bed, I put on a lip balm because all my makeup and everything is off. And then what I do is I have this lavender, and it's like real lavender. I think it's lavender fields in France or something like that. And I put it on, just a little dab will do you. And it's just, I can't even call it a routine. It's just so heavenly, and I feel so good just sort of putting this on my hands. And you know what? I really believe that, and I do this every single night, I really believe that dry, wrinkly, chapped hands, they kind of really do show your age. So I just love this. And then as I settled into bed, I kind of put my hands like this and smell the lavender, and it's just dreamy, really dreamy. Oh, and I have some good news. For this video, underneath the description and in the blog, we have found mostly the exact same products that I'm using, you know, like the hand cream and the bubble bath, all that sort of thing. So we've got links for you. And we also, remember, we've got lots of stuff at our favorite things. It's at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, where we have my favorite makeup and kitchen stuff and even gifts for him and gifts for her. So yeah, and you don't pay anything more just by clicking on one of our links, but we do make a little bit of a commission on it. And from the bottom of our hearts, thank you, because that's the way we keep on making these videos keep coming to you. So number 4 is my prettying up and makeup area. And you know, you don't have to wear a lot of makeup. You can wear just a little bit, just basically enhance your eyes and your lips and your face a little bit, maybe a little blush or so. And as you know, in my videos, I don't go the extreme look. I really try to keep it natural. Now, this little corner of the universe, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And Bill and I, we used to have this huge home. We had 4 kids, so, and I had this big makeup area. Hey, I'm a beauty vlogger and I used to be a model, so, you know, I had this big area, and now I had to sort of put it into a little spot. But hey, guess what? I was not about to put all my makeup on the counter in the bathroom. So here's what I did. Let's check it out a little bit. Of course, I have my makeup mirror, which I absolutely love. Sorry if it's a little bit dirty on the inside. I can't get into that. But at night, and it gets dark earlier, so it might be a little dusty too. But anyway, it's got the magnifying, and it also has just the regular light. But most of the time, what I love about this little area here is I just use these mirrors, and I've got the natural sunlight or the natural daylight just coming from this window here. So I would really suggest that if you're doing something like that, put it close to the window. Now, I actually did an entire video on this makeup area. So what I'm going to do is put a link for it up there so that you can watch it maybe at another time, or maybe even now and come back to this one, whatever you choose. But I just used a little table. It has a drawer, and I've got some of my extra makeup in there, a little container for the brushes and the bronzers and, you know, the little makeup applicators. And then I have my makeup and all kinds of things right here. And let me just show you one more thing. All I did was I got a little stool, put a little cushion on it, push it in like that. And you know what? Who says you can't have your little area to feel pretty? So kind of talking about downsizing your home and all that sort of thing. Number 5 is just be you. Just embrace you. Just own you. And what I mean by that is, hey, you know, I'm 63 years old now, and I got some wider curves. Let's just say that. But you know what? I'm embracing them, and I'm going, you know, yeah, I'm going to eat right and exercise a little bit anyway. But it's really, really important that I embrace me. And on that subject, you know, I actually did a video about being authentically you, and I'm going to put the link up there. It's pretty good message in it. And one of the things that I have embraced is my silver hair. As you can see, it's all coming in silver, and I really thought it was going to make me look old, but it's the natural me just coming out. And hey, if you're one of those people that, you know, every few weeks you're getting the skunk line down the middle and you're like, maybe I'll give it a go. I went to a professional hairdresser. I usually always did, but she's just fantastic. And she showed me, and I showed you, a process of kind of just gradually transforming the silver hair, or maybe you have the salt and pepper hair. And again, I did a video. I'm going to put it up there so you can take a look at that as well. And yeah, I just say go ahead and embrace you. And just a little note, my long hair, I love it, I own it, and I'm keeping it for a while. So for number 6, I'm bringing in the cuteness factor, our little hurricane. And hey, did you do it? Did you smile? Because that's number 6. Your smile. Just keep on wearing that smile, because, you know, that's when your inner glow shines. That's when and laugh too. That's when the positive energy, yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. The positive energy just flows out of you, and everybody are like, oh, wow, she's so amazing. And it's just a wonderful way, and illuminate the world with that shine and that beautiful smile. And who cares? You know, don't worry about your teeth. Don't worry about, oh my gosh, every time I smile, I get some wrinkles. People don't look at that. They look at the inner glow, and they can feel it. They can feel them vibes. So anyway, and just talking about illuminating and making people happy, and that, you guys out there, you make us so happy with, we really have a community here. And don't worry about your age. Like if you think, oh, I'm not over 50, come on down, just press the subscribe button, and also press the bell. And we would love to hear your comments, and maybe share with me how you feel pretty, what you do that just kind of, you know, makes you feel absolutely wonderful. I would really like to hear it, and so would other people as well. So, you know, he's a little bit nervous. Are you okay today? You're very, I guess I didn't say it, you're very pretty, but you're a boy dog, so you're very handsome, okay? All right, that's what he was looking for. But find that little girl inside you, you know, the one that dressed up and found that inner self, and just go out and bring it on to the world. And well, that pretty well sums it up. So until next time, we'll see you later. Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our videos.